Doing a video of the screen. Somebody asked that if the screen was working.
The schedule was.
Of course it's working.
Incredible personal service.
Exactly. So why not switch to First American Bank?
Because my bank is a big important bank dealing with big important people.
And you're not important?
I'm important, but not as important as more important people.
It's like you that made them big. First American Bank would never make that mistake. They know how to treat people.
Cut me a piece of my flounder. I'm starving.
Yeah, here.
So chewy. Oh, they're answering. God.
There's nothing on my. There it is.
Retailers become seamlessly restocking, cyber securing must-visit shops, and how healthcare.
There you go.